Hey, happy Thursday. I am here. That is Mount Shasta back there. I'm here for my workshop with DomeGaia, learning how to do a dome home, Air Creek dome home. This is a retreat center, a religious retreat center. It's going to be my home there for the week or for the 11 days. Let's walk over here and see what. Beautiful, it's quiet here. Let's go see what we're going to be doing this week. As I said, this is a religious retreat center. That's the, I think she called it the healing wheel, a sacred spot. So, kind of cool. It's a little toasty out here in Mount Shasta in early June. They say, my hostess, she says it gets kind of cool at night. Okay, with Mount Shasta in the background, their dome home here is actually going to be a temple. They started on it last year. They had to stop because of the winter. Because she says, and during the winter here, things stop. And this is going to be the entrance. This is going to be their temple. And these domes, arches are going to be for storage. But you start and you use these poles and you just say, this is my starting point. You just go around, it guides it. These are the bricks. I'll show you where they make the bricks over here. Pretty cool already. I've seen videos on how they make this arch to get started. Real easy, real cool. Just start stacking the rocks up. The bricks, so they stack the bricks up and then make the dome. And then later, what we're going to be doing next week is you come put a fiber over it and put another level of cement on the inside. So it just makes it even more stronger. There you go. Here's the brick. Looks heavy, doesn't it? Cement, watch this. Oh, so light. Oh, so light. Oop, I broke one because it's filled with air bubbles. That's the bricks, and this is the forms. You make your own forms. And you make your bricks. She says that's probably what we're going to be doing first thing Saturday morning. Most of the people are going to get here tomorrow afternoon. We'll have a class, and then we'll actually start building Friday. But you take your cement, good old normal cement, you mix it up. Take dishwashing liquid and use this contraption right here. You stir it up and make a really thick foam. And then you mix that foam in with the cement. You pour it in these forms. And then once they dry, you got your supply of brick. And you take your brick and just go around the circle, going higher and higher and higher. And those arms, as they get higher, of course, it'll bring it in. So it'll be kind of like just a big giant igloo. So I'm very excited. I met my hostess. I think there's 2 others that are going to be here today, and then everybody else comes in Friday. It's going to be about 20 of us here, she said. And then for next week, the volunteers is going to be about half of us is 10. But there's Mount Shasta. I'm going to go throw my stuff in the car. In the camper. Go throw my stuff in the camper and then ride into Mount Shasta and have dinner and go check out the park over there. So welcome to the Mount Shasta. Oh, here's a kind of a drawing of the way their temple's going to look. You see it? Can you see it? Very cool. I've been watching these videos for a long time, and I'm very excited to finally be here to learn how to do it hands-on. And then go find me some land and build my house and build several small ones and use them as rentals. Start a little glamping site. It's gonna be a fun week. Talk to you later. This is home for the week. The bus camper. Kind of cool. Got water that's fresh from the Mount Shasta spring. Pure clear water. Got a nice little igloo in here. Got some power. Good bed. home for a week. Gonna be fun, gonna be fun.